can't smash on it too much because I'm in traffic right now. Of course, traffic always occur out here in Houston on a beautiful day.
I'm at the city, can't vibe with you.
So,
took a flight up to the west
sitting in
end on my
traffic.
business.
Welcome back to another episode. So today we're going to do some small tweaks. We're going to do three things, all right? We're going to do a mass flow air sensor replacement with a performance jet flow mass flow air sensor. We're also going to do a handcrafted throttle body performance. I got one handcrafted, bought it off eBay. It took about a month for it to come in because I ordered it last year sometime in December. So now I finally got it. I said I was going to go ahead and throw it off in there. I also got a throttle body spacer that I want to try out as well. I'm going to put all three of these things on here at the same time. I've been in different forums, getting different views and things like that of what people said about them. Now, I don't know anybody who's running all three. I've heard people say they have one and not the other, but I have all three of them, so we're going to put it all on at one time and just see what it's like and see if it makes a difference as far as the performance goes. I heard nothing but positive things about these mods, so we're going to see. Let's dive off into it.
What's going on, Juco?
Now, as of right now, I'm doing pretty good as far as like performance on the truck. I've already had it tuned. You know, I have a S&B cold air intake. I done already had my exhaust system redone. So I've done a few different things. But this right here should be a slight game changer, I would say. Right now, the pedal on my truck is very sensitive. I'm talking about as soon as I tap it, it's ready to go. And that's without the tow haul button being on or anything like that. I rarely ride with my tow haul button on. I don't have to. Some guys do it. Some people get a pedal, what is it called? A pedal shift commander or the pedal commander, whatever it is. Some guys put that on there. I don't have none of those mods on here. My pedal is super sensitive. When I say if I smash on it, it's gonna get up and go. And I like that, you know, got quite a bit of torque and also horsepower as well to the wheel.
Now, the only thing I have to do in my situation is loosen up the clip around the intake tube. And then once I remove that, it's 4 bolts right here on the throttle body that I have to loosen up. And once I loosen that up and take those off, then I'll be able to take off the throttle body. It's also 2 hoses at the bottom of it as well. Once I finish unbolting it, that you have to unhook as well. Don't forget to remove the coolant hoses at the bottom.
So it's 2 hoses. You have to disconnect that one, and also this one right here. That's the bottom hose, so you can see it right there. Now this is the old throttle bottle right here, you guys. So this is a Jet Performance mass flow air sensor. The directions to the handcrafted throttle body. Let's see here. Unpackage all this type of stuff. And let's see if we can see the difference. Now I'm also give you a little insight more to this one right here. I will say this. It's hard to find this. I can only find it on eBay. That's the thing. Now the difference as far as the diameter, as far as the width inside, this one right here is 70 millimeters inside. This one is 85 millimeters inside. And you can pretty much tell the difference. Now this is supposed to help increase with the airflow along with the MPG and also with the gain as far as torque and horsepower.
Now, it's not going to give you a tremendous difference, but you will feel a slight difference, I would say. Now, I will say, by this one being hard to find, I can only find it on eBay, and they make it as they go, from my understanding. They also have another one out, if I'm not mistaken. It's an AFE brand. This right here is an OEM, but it's handcrafted. But the other one that's an AFE brand, I think it's $50 more than this one right here. So you're looking at close to $500 for the AFE. This one right here, I paid right around $400 for it. And then this over here, I got this off Extreme Terrain. And this right here was, I want to say, I don't want to quote the price wrong. I want to say it's about $200 maybe. Let me check for that. Now, right here, this right here was around close to $140, probably $147 or something in tax, but I think I paid $136 for it. So this right here is an AFE throttle body spacer. So we're gonna throw this on there as well. We'll take it out the box and see what it looked like. Let's see what it does. Come with gaskets and some new bolts and stuff like that. So we're gonna see what it do, guys. So y'all can actually see before I bolt it back in. The spacer is right here. It came with a gasket. You can see that gasket right here. Everything's gonna tighten up. Once I tighten everything up. Also, I got that battery negative unplugged while I'm doing all this, because you gotta have that done. I'm gonna tighten this back up. Now I got all that tightened up, but I don't have it plugged up. Okay, we'll plug it in last. Right now I'm gonna go ahead and skip on to the mass flow airflow sensor. There's 2 screws on here I have to take off. You got to be careful because you don't want to drop the screws off in here, guys. So just kind of put your hand up under there. Do the same thing with this one. All right. Now we're going to put the new one in. Okay, you all. So I got everything installed, everything done. I'm gonna start it up, and we're gonna listen to see how it sounds when we start it up.
Okay, you all, so I'm not gonna even lie to you, I feel a major difference just off those little small things I replaced. So one of the things I noticed, lower RPMs, quicker pickup, and also the engine is slightly quieter, but it's in a good way. It's not in a bad way, and it has a turbo sound to it, like a whistling whistling turbocharged sound. That's the type of sound it has too. So far, I'm impressed, and I like my results. I smashed on it a little bit. Yeah, it has a turbo whistling sound. Now, you guys might not be able to hear it, but I can hear it inside the truck. I mean, the pickup is amazing. I'm not gonna even lie to you. So yeah, RPMs are lower until you get on it. That's when that bad boy just get up just like that.